Okay, today I'm going to show you how to replace the laptop screen on an Asus G51V. First, start by removing the rubber screw covers along the bezel of the monitor. There's 6 screws and 6 screw covers. Once you have all the screws removed, you should be able to carefully pull the screen bezel apart from the backing of the monitor. On the back, your little webcam is connected. There's a little bit of tape on the ribbon for the webcam, so you got to carefully remove that. Now we have 6 screws holding the frame of the LED to the backing. So you go ahead and remove those. These screws are the same as the others. I'm going to go ahead and lay down this blue protective so I can lay the monitor down on my keyboard and not, any stray screws or anything are going to be gouging it. And it's going to have a little bit of tape on that ribbon still on the backing, so you've got to carefully get your hands back there and remove it. I just pried it off like that, and I'm going to go ahead and lay it down. Now I'm going to remove that tape and carefully remove the video connector. There's some tape up there as well I'm going to peel off and just pull that out nice and easy. You don't want to damage it. Now the screen's held to this frame here, so there's 4 on each side. So we go ahead and remove them. Going to go ahead and do the other side. I noticed you need to be very careful with these. The heads do kind of want to strip out, so make sure you have a screwdriver that fits well and apply the proper pressure when you're trying to unscrew them. Now the LED can be removed, so we'll go ahead and put the new one back in place and screw it into the frame. Again, we have the 4 screws on each side. These are your smallest screws, so you can't confuse them. The rest of the screws are the same, so these ones are tiny. So we'll go ahead and screw those back in. So now we're going to go ahead and connect the ribbon or back onto the back of the LED and connect that video connector. Nice and easy. Get the tape back down. Get the tape back down on the back. So you just get the back line back up and get your tape on the ribbon connected as best you can. Get it to lay flat in there. So now that we've got it all lined up, we've got screws to hook the frame back up to the back of the monitor here. There's 6 screws, and each the corner screws where your bezel would go have little arrows on your frame to tell you which ones go in prior to putting your bezel on, because there are going to be two holes in each corner. Right there, I looked to see where they were. And if you look at that frame, there's little arrows pointing to the right hole. So So I'm going to go ahead and put these final screws in. Once I get this final screw in, I'm going to go ahead and hit the power button and make sure I've got the video connector hooked up correctly before I go ahead and finish the installation. Looked like I had good video, so I went ahead and turned it back off, and I'm going to go ahead and finish the installation with my bezel. Once I finish putting the bezel on here with the screws, I'll go ahead and replace the screw covers, the little rubber screw covers. Like so. Putting the strips in up top, and then the little round ones in the corners. Now that I have those, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, make sure I have video. There we go.